Hi guys, me and my friend is playing Steal a Brain.
We are billionaires, guys.
Yeah, I have 9
Hoe
billion.
kost jy so?
Here's my base, guys. I had 2 brain cards, but then someone stole it.
Ow!
Hey guys.
She's back.
And here's my friends. And here's my friends, base, guys.
He gave me a mythic card. He gave me 3 mythics.
I gave this to my friend, and I let him take this.
And he gave me this brain rot god, guys. He gave me this brain rot god.
Like guys, me and my friend, there's luck.
Yeah, guys. Dude, yes, I was spawning mythics. We have luck, guys. Even when the timer isn't up, guys. We have luck, really.
Guys, I'm just waiting for like nice brain notes to spawn. Because yeah, it's spawning like diamond luck. Diamond brain notes and stuff. Common stuff, yeah. Because look here, guys, a diamond.
I didn't even get a one rainbow thing. I was doing so I was doing the game.
Yeah, guys.
Oh, I got a lot of money. What the rarest brain?
Guys, I'm trying to get Sammy. Sammy.
Oh my.
Sammy.
So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't guys, I'm in the opposite side of the section.
Guys, I don't know what is the girls doing, but the girls are doing a flying.
She now was trying to say something like, because I didn't make a way for the camera. She made her own room. So,
Okay guys, we're now gonna